We can make an image appear warmer or cooler by adjusting the color balance. Photoshop offers two tools that make this a snap. Let's open up an image. We're going back to our Chapter 3 folder, and we're going to open up our old friend the garden image that we first saw in Chapter 1. Now, there are two ways that we can adjust the color balance. The first way is in the Image menu, Adjustments, and we'll go down to Photo Filter. Now, this brings up a preset selection of filters that mimic what photographers used to carry out into the field with them. We're starting here with a warming filter, but if we click on the pull-down menu, we've got 3 warming filters here to choose from. I'll choose warming filter 81. That should give us a good difference, and I'll toggle off the preview. There's where we started. Here's that warming filter. We could also go cooler. I'll go down here and select cooling filter 82, for example, and you can see, here's the preview off, here's the preview on. You can see just how far we can go with these filters. Now, within these preset filters, you can adjust their strength by moving the density slider. If you drag the density slider to the left, you are decreasing the effect of that filter. If you drag it to the right, you're making that filter appear even stronger. So you've got a lot to play with here, and simply by clicking through this menu, you can go warm to cool in just a couple of steps. Let's cancel out of this, and now we're going to look at our second method. We're going to go back to Image, Adjustments, and this time we'll select Color Balance. Now this works with 3 sliders that move between 6 primary colors. If we want to warm the image, we simply go along towards the red. In the second slider, we'll maybe move a hair towards magenta, and in the third, we'll move towards yellow. Here's the preview off. Here's it on, so you can see it definitely warms up the image. Under tone balance, we want to stay on midtones. This is going to be the most realistic approach. It's going to focus our efforts in the midtones of the image and taper off nicely into the highlights and shadows. If we wanted to cool this image, we could go towards the cyan end a little bit. Maybe we'll take a little bit of magenta out that we did, but the big one is we're going to go from yellow over to blue. And if we toggle the preview on and off here, there's where we started, and now we have a much cooler image. So we've got 2 quick and easy ways to adjust the color balance in Photoshop.